Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this simple crop top. I'm using Ankara fabric. If this is a video you're interested in, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Now let's get right into drafting. First of all, I'll be marking my length. My length of for the top is 19 inches. After that, I'll go ahead and mark my shoulder to my bust line, which is 9 inches, and my shoulder to my waist, which is 16 inches. But I'll be making use of 19 inches for my total length. After marking my measurement, I'll go ahead and extend the lines just as shown in the video. I'll go ahead and mark my shoulder measurement, which is 16 inches divided by 2. That will give me 8 inches. I'll go ahead and mark that. I'll also mark the 8 inches on my bust line and connect with a straight line to meet the shoulder line. After connecting my shoulder line, I marked my back neck depth, which is 1.5 inches, and my front neck depth, which is 6 inches, and I'll be connecting that with a curve, and my neck width is 4 inches for both the front and the back. I'll be connecting both front and back neckline with a curve just as shown in the video. After that, I went ahead to mark my shoulder slope of 1 inch, and I'll be connecting that to the neckline just as shown in the video. After marking my shoulder slope, I went ahead to my bust line to mark my bust measurement. My full bust is 42 inches divided by 4, that will give me 10.5. So 10.5, I'll be marking that on my bust line. After marking my bust measurement, I'll be adding 1.5 inch of sewing allowance, and I'll go ahead and mark that same measurement on my waistline. Right now, I'll be marking the midpoint of my armhole, and I'll just go inwards by 0.5 inches, and I'll be connecting those three lines together to form my armhole. After covering my armhole, I went ahead to mark the measurement I have on my bust line. I extended the measurement to my waistline, and I'll be connecting with a straight line. I extended the line to my length, so after connecting with a straight line, I'll go ahead and cut out both the front and the back pattern, and the crop top is ready. So I'll go ahead and take it to my sewing machine after cutting out, and I'll be joining it together. If you're a beginner and you're new to sewing, this is a simple crop pattern for you. You can make use of this pattern to draft your own pattern to make a crop top, a simple crop top. Cutting it out, I went ahead to notch the places I'll be sewing. I'm just cutting out the back neckline, and I'll be notching all the places I'll be sewing. So now that I'm done cutting out the pattern, I'll go and assemble it, and I'll be joining the interfacing to the necklines first. Before cutting out the interfacing and joining it to the neckline, I'll go ahead and first of all draft out the sleeve. I'll be drafting out my sleeve, a basic sleeve. So I'll go ahead and mark my cap's height on my sleeve measurement. To get your cap's height, your full bust measurement divided by 12. For me, my full bust measurement is 42 inches divided by 12 will give me 3.5. So I'll be marking that 3.5 inches, and I'll be working with a sleeve length of 16 inches. On my cap's height line, I'll be marking my armhole measurement, which is 10.5. I'll be marking that, and I'll be connecting it down to the length of my sleeve. Since it's a basic sleeve, I'll just go ahead and curve out the lines for my sleeve. If you don't know how to draft a sleeve pattern, I'll make a tutorial available for a basic sleeve. Since I already know how to draft a basic sleeve, I'm just using the measurement I used before. So right now, I'll be marking my sleeve round measurement, which is 9 inches, and I'll be connecting it to meet the lines. Now that I'm done, I'll go ahead and cut out my basic sleeve pattern, and I'll be taking to my sewing machine and be joining my fabrics together. Now that we are done with the sleeve cutting, I'll go ahead and I'll be placing my interface on both the front and the back pattern, and I'll be sewing it all around. When I'm done, I'll come back and show you how it ended up looking like. After I'm done joining, here is the final result of the joining of the interface. It came out really looking nice. I like the way it's looking. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it to your loved ones. Now I'll go ahead and join my shoulder seams together. I'm just showing here how I join my shoulder seams together. After joining my shoulder seams, I'll go ahead and attach my sleeve. And after attaching my sleeve, I'll go ahead and join the sides together and hem the bottom of the top. After I'm done joining, this is the finished look. It came out really looking nice. I like the way it's looking. and it's a perfect fit on me. So this is the finished look. I paired it with a baggy pant. The tutorial on how I made this baggy pant is up on my channel. You can watch that video before coming to watch this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates on sewing tutorials.